Hi, welcome to the Animation Tech channel, where we will be looking at the technical side of animation in video game, mainly by re-implementing old animation papers that were released a long time ago, up to papers that were actually more recent. And we will re-implement them inside of Python, so we could have an easy visualization of what those papers were about. We will also probably talk about a bit about physics and also the mathematics behind animations and physics in video games. My name is Jerome Eippers, and I'm an animation technical director for the past 20 years in the game industry. I've been working mainly into designing animation pipeline, writing tools or writing engine code about animations. And I hope this channel will be of an interest for you. And if you want to make sure that to hear about all the videos I will be releasing frequently, I would try to be constant in my release. I would say probably one a month or something like that. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.